In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to protect specific cells in a spreadsheet so only the right people can make changes. This is perfect for locking down formulas, totals, or any critical data while still letting others view the sheet or edit other parts. First, start by selecting the range of cells you want to protect. Click and drag to highlight those cells. Take a second to make sure you've got the exact range you need. If you have formulas that reference nearby cells, include only what truly needs protection, so collaborators can still work around it as intended. With your range selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. From there, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This opens a sidebar on the right that controls protection settings for both entire sheets and specific ranges. In the sidebar, click Add a sheet or range. You'll see the range box populate automatically if you selected cells beforehand. If it's not exactly right, you can adjust it here by typing the correct range, like A1, B10, or using the picker to reselect. Double-check this part. Protecting the wrong cells can cause confusion for your collaborators. Next, look for the section labeled Set Permissions. Choose Restrict, who can edit this range. This tells the spreadsheet to enforce permissions on the cells you specified. You're not hiding the data, you're simply controlling who can make changes to it. You'll now be prompted to select who can edit. Pick only you if you want to lock the range so no one else can change it. If you're collaborating and need others to help maintain that area, choose Custom. With Custom, you can specify which collaborators are allowed to edit while keeping everyone else in view-only or edit-restricted mode. This is especially useful when you have a mix of contributors, some who manage data entry and others who only review. When you've made your selection, click Done. That's it. The protection is now active for the range you set. Anyone without permission who tries to edit those cells will be prevented from making changes. A quick reminder, protecting a range maintains data integrity, but it doesn't hide the content from viewers. Use range protection to prevent accidental edits to formulas and key values, and keep editable areas flexible for teammates. If you need to adjust permissions later, just return to Data, open Protect Sheets and Ranges, and update the settings in the sidebar. You now know how to protect any range with confidence. Thanks for watching. And feel free to repeat these steps for other critical ranges in your spreadsheet.